Okay, guys, so this Rubik's Cube, this app will solve my Rubik's Cube right here. And this is gonna be awesome. Let's get started, guys. So we're gonna wanna do that. Next, we're gonna wanna do, oh yeah. So we're gonna do two like that and that. We're gonna wanna go down again. Wait, okay, let's do another one. So it's like that. Oh my goodness, guys, it's actually doing a little bit of progress. Okay, let's do the next one. So we have to do it 2 times, 1, 2. Can you hear it, guys? Okay, that's the next one. And then two of them. Bop, bop. It's getting a little progress. Guys, you want to see it's actually getting a little progress. This is getting awesome. Let's continue, guys. So bap, bap, okay. Okay. Oh my goodness, guys, it's actually solving it. Bop, bop. Wait a minute. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Guys, it actually solved it.